First grind, then a mix. Pepper. So the mixing also makes a difference in the final product as well. Keep everything chilled, all your meat, all the ingredients as cold as you can, and then get a nice mix, almost like kneading dough, because what we're trying to do is get that fat and that protein kind of bound together. It's going to keep the sausage, keep all that moisture in the sausage after it's cooked. So sometimes when you have a poorly made sausage, they're sawdusty, they break apart when you bite into it. That's usually because it wasn't mixed properly or was over mixed. So now we'll do the second grind. We'll do a little taste test, see where our seasoning is at, texture.
Oh, nice.
And then goes into casings, get stuffed. Make yourself a little taster patty.